Today, I'm not just showing you two beautiful mansions in Tehran, I'm also answering some of the common questions you ask me via email or something else. And if you're interested in knowing about these mansions, walk with me today. Why should tourists see these mansions? Question one: why should tourists see all these mansions and why should they be interested in seeing these kind of mansions? One of the things that I think every tourist should do when they visit Iran is explore these historic mansions. They are not just old houses, they are like a window into the past. You can really feel the history in the way they were built, the beautiful architecture, and all the stories they hold. It's like stepping back in time, and I feel like that's such a special experience. Plus, it gives you a deeper understanding of Persian culture, which I think is something really unique. What are the most common places to see in Tehran? Tehran has so many cool places to visit, and it's not all about the skyscrapers or busy streets. Of course, there is the Grand Bazaar, which is super famous for shopping, and the Golestan Palace, which is just stunning. And then there is the Milad Tower. You can get this amazing view of the whole city. But for me, I think the hidden gems are the old mansions that are scattered around the city. Not a lot of people know about them, but they are absolutely worth visiting. How much does these mansions cost to visit? Oh, and speaking of these mansions, the entry fee is actually pretty affordable. Most of them cost like a few dollars to enter. It's such a good deal because you get to see so much history and art up close. And sometimes they have guided tours included in that price, so you learn even more. Honestly, it's one of the best ways to spend the day if you are looking for something cultural. What are the most beautiful mansions in Tehran? If you're wondering which mansions to visit, one of my absolute favorites is the Niavaran Palace complex. It's just so beautiful with these gorgeous gardens and rooms filled with stunning decor. There is also the Sadabad Palace, which is huge and has so many things to see, from royal rooms to beautiful art collections. It's hard to pick just one because each mansion has its own charm, but those two are definitely must-sees. How does car- how does how does architecture reflect Persian culture in history? One thing I love about these mansions is how the architecture reflects Persian culture so perfectly. You can see the importance of family and hospitality in the way the rooms are designed. Big open spaces, beautiful country yards where families would gather. It's all about creating a space that's welcoming and functional. And then, of course, there are the artistic details. Every from the tiles to the ceiling is just stunning. It's like every detail corner has its own story to tell.